What is up? It's your boy, OG Rubber Ducky here, back with another video. I just have a pack opening for you guys, so let's get right into it. Trash there. Pro pack, nothing. Elite, maybe, nope. Jay Cutler. Elite player pack. Boom. 90 Luke Kuechly. Aaron Donald. See, we're definitely going to be taking here. Get on to it. Alright, we're back. I opened up a couple of them because they were pretty trash. Another trash one. Updating the team there. Update the team again. We'll hop onto the last account. Alright, we're back. Pro pack. Team delete first win. Elite player pack here. Boom. We get a quarterback. So, we don't like it. So, we're going to put it in the elite player exchange. Here we have this elite player pack now. Boom. AJ Bouye. First 90 overall. And our only 90 overall, we're taking AJ Bouye. Let's go to the team. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe. OG Rubber Ducky signing off.